A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to discuss about educational thinkers, class 12th, and our today's topic is contribution of Gandhi. So Gandhi, who was popularly known as M.K. Gandhi, यानी कि मोहनदास करमचंद Gandhi, was born in 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. He was married to a woman. Her name was Kasturba when Gandhiji was 13 years old. After passing matriculation in 1887, he was sent to England for the study of law. Before leaving for England, he vowed his mother that he would not touch meat, wine, and women during his stay in England. He passed his bar law in 1891 and returned to Mumbai to start his law practice there. But his practice failed and he went to South Africa in 1893. There in South Africa, he joined the People's Movement for the political rights. As we know that there was some problems which blacks were facing there, and this practice was named as apartheid. Gandhiji struggled very hard for this and proved successful in giving equality to the people. After his return, he launched non-cooperation movement in 1920. Dandi March in 1930, historic fast in 1932, and Quiet India movement in 1942. Gandhiji founded Sabarmati Ashram in 1917 and Swagram Ashram in 1935 and gave his nation its native scheme of education, namely basic education. This basic education was given by Gandhi in 1937. He wrote 2 books, Hind Swaraj and My Experience with Truth. So these were the famous books of Gandhiji. Number 1 is Hind Swaraj and My Experience with Truth. Gandhiji was the extol of peace and non-violence. Unfortunately, he was shot dead by Nathuram Godse in 1948, and he left this world and left behind so many examples of humanity and how to struggle for the rights. Now he have given some concepts of education. Gandhian concept of education stands for the balanced and harmonious development of the all aspects of human personality, that is physical, intellectual, spiritual, moral, etc. So he says, by education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in the child and man, body, mind, and spirit. Gandhiji considers that education is not literacy. He says, literacy is neither the beginning nor the end of education. This is only the means through which men and women can be educated. So one of the best scheme of education was given by M.K. Gandhi, yani ki Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, that is basic education. So in this basic education, Gandhiji clearly stated that basic education from 6 to 14 years should be given to all children. It is compulsory for all, that education is free and compulsory for all children until they attain the age of 14. As the Article 45 of the Indian Constitution says that free and compulsory education should be given to all children until they attain the age of 14 years. Thank you. This was the life sketch of M.K. Gandhi and concept of education. Thank you very much.